What does the ozone layer prevent from reaching the Earth's surface? The ozone layer, located in the stratosphere, absorbs about 97 to 99% of the sun's medium-frequency ultraviolet light. This protection is vital for preventing skin cancer, cataracts, and damage to marine ecosystems. What is the actual shape of the Earth referred to as? The Earth's actual shape is a geoid, which is an irregular shape that accounts for the variations in gravity across the planet's surface. While it approximates an oblate spheroid, the geoid specifically represents the surface of equal gravitational potential. What was the magnitude of the earthquake that struck off the coast of Sumatra in 1986? The 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake, which struck off the coast of Sumatra, had a magnitude of 9.1 and is one of the most powerful ever recorded. It triggered a massive tsunami that affected several countries across the Indian Ocean rim. What percentage of the Earth's water is salt water? Approximately 97.2% of Earth's total water volume is found in the oceans as salt water, making it unsuitable for direct human consumption without desalination. This vast amount of saline water plays a crucial role in regulating global climate and weather patterns. What term is used to describe the movement of the Earth's lithospheric plates? Tectonic movements refer to the large-scale motion of the Earth's lithospheric plates driven by convection currents in the mantle. These movements are responsible for major geological features like mountains, ocean basins, and earthquakes. What phenomenon is caused by the revolution of the Earth around the Sun? The revolution of the Earth around the Sun, combined with the tilt of its axis, causes the change in seasons. This movement takes approximately 365.25 days and determines the varying intensity of sunlight received at different latitudes. Day and night are caused by the rotation of the Earth on its own axis, not its revolution. The Earth's magnetic field is generated by the movement of molten iron in its outer core. Eclipses are caused by the specific alignment of the Sun, Earth, and Moon in their respective orbits. Which sphere is described as always in motion and includes water on, above, and below the Earth's surface? The hydrosphere includes all water on, above, and below the Earth's surface, constantly moving through the hydrologic cycle. It exists in liquid, solid, and gaseous states and is essential for sustaining all life forms. What is considered one of the most important elements on Earth? Water is a vital natural resource that supports all life forms and covers nearly 71% of the Earth's surface. It is essential for biological processes, climate regulation, and various human economic activities. Wrong. A. Fire is a chemical reaction of combustion rather than a fundamental physical element or resource like water. Wrong. C. While air is necessary for life, water is often cited as the most critical limiting factor for ecosystems and geological weathering. Wrong. D. Soil is a vital resource for agriculture, but its formation and fertility are heavily dependent on the presence of water. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.